YouTube, it's your boy Poppy Faded. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a quick thumbnail tutorial, quick and easy. You're gonna need two things. You're gonna need YouTube Studio and you need Bazaart. I had made a video earlier, but the audio wasn't on. A rookie mistake. But it's all good. We're gonna make a new project. Start from scratch. Alright, first thing you want to do, make a new project. Go to size. Go all the way over to YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Press done. Me personally, I like to start out with a black background, but it doesn't have to be that. It can be, I thought I hit on something. I guess I did. We can do it. We can do this. Boom. So everything, you can see everything be nice and bright. Some people, I'm gonna slide tags. Let's see. How to make a cool thumbnail on Alright, so you click on this, you got a lot of fonts and stuff. Back to school, classroom, lunchbox, pop quiz, science, notebook. Let's do notebook. Alright. So me, I like to make my text pop. So hold on. I don't really like that. Let's make it white. Outline. Always made my outline black. To give it that 3D look. Shadow. Do a little shadow. This video I'm gonna show y'all how to make two my big thumbs in the way. Now we're gonna go to photos. Drop it in. I like to put mine like in a slant. You can even outline this if you wanted to. I was just showing like it don't really matter. You can change the color of this if you wanted to, but it's just gonna be a block. They even got like, if you really want to get into it, like you make your own little color, whatever. But we're not gonna do that. If you want to do different layers, it's easier. If you can't get to it, it's a little layer stack up there. Alright, so now here's the fun part. How to make a cool thumbnail on your phone. Alright, so now let's go to photos. Wait, what am I doing? Let's put iPhone, PNG. Just go to Google, go to images, and put whatever you want. Put PNG. Let's do one of these. Then hold on the screen and add it to your photos. I probably should put the hand with it, but go back here. You're gonna see it. It's huge. Now you got an iPhone. Now, go back. Safari. What's the new Samsung phone? They probably want to hit me with some logo. Let's just hit them with a Galaxy. Add some photos. Oh no, I don't like Androids. Me personally. And boom, that's it. Quick and fast, man. Just start it up there. Then you hit save. Now it's ready to go. Now I'll make another one. Now, if you're a gamer, you're going. I could have left it up. I'm gonna leave that. All right, if you're a gamer, you're gonna want something. Let's say Call of Duty. We'll do Call of Duty. So what they got? I like this. Add photos. You can add a lot of stuff to your photos. Whatever you want, really. Like this. You'd be surprised on what they have, like all the PNGs. I like this. I even like this. Alright. So I clicked on a lot of stuff. Obviously. I was just making sure I don't have to go back. So like you put that on your video. Go back to photos. I'm gonna change my background color. Make him a little bigger. He don't got no knees. Hey, you gonna make a lot of. Basically, that's all people do. And voila, there you go. Basically, that's it. So say if you're gonna upload these thumbnails, go to, where am I at? Go to videos. Let's see, I'm gonna take one of these videos, don't matter. Click on this pencil. Click. And then click on that. And there you go. That's it. Just that fast. Select. Save. And now you have it. That's how you make a thumbnail, just a quick. It's your boy, Poppy Faded, and I'm out. Please hit that like button, that subscribe button. But yeah, all you need is Bazaart and YouTube Studio. I'll leave the link in the description below. you don't want to go in the app store or whatever, it's all good. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out.